Garcia.
I'm Samantha Parsons.
And today we're going to be presenting our dramatic play prop box. So it's going to be over a trip to the doctor's office. Our office hours are from 8 o'clock in the morning to 12 o'clock p.m. lunchtime, and then 1 o'clock to 5 p.m. If this is an emergency, please call 830-444-4444. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Okay, so the books that will be included in our prop box are, the first book is Going to the Doctor. This book is about Jenny J has a cough, Joey J needs an immunization shot, and Jack J has a sprained wrist. So the whole J family goes to the doctor to find out how to get well. We see what a doctor does and how they help us in many ways. The next book is Corduroy Goes to the Doctor. Corduroy likes to go to the doctor. He goes to the doctor to get a checkup. After his checkup, he receives a balloon for being such a good patient.
So next we're going to go into our medical supplies. So this is a thermometer that the doctor would be using on the patient. So it just checks your temperature, 98.5. She's good.
The next item that we have in our prop box is a stethoscope, which what the doctor will use, or the children will use, is putting it on in their ears and then listen to their patient's heartbeat.
Next is your pulse check. You just put it on your patient's finger, and it measures your pulse to let you know if you have a high heart rate or a low heart rate, or if it's normal.
Next, we have another thermometer, and what this one is usually for children. You put it underneath the armpit, or you can put it on in the little wraps and put it under their tongue for a more accurate temperature.
So what we'll be using next is an audioscope. So this is used to check under the nose for allergies and in the ear, just to see if you have any type of infection.
The next item that we have is a tongue depressor. Usually they use this to put a child or adult's tongue down so that they're able to see the back of their throat.
And next is a face mask to protect yourself from any patients who
May have any disease.
just protect patients from
From any diseases.
Oh, sorry.
Is it right? And then
Antiseptic wipes.
And then these are antiseptic wipes, and so you wipe down the spot. Usually they use these for shots, and so you wipe it down to make sure that the spot you're going to be putting a needle in is completely clean.
And last, PPE for personal protective equipment. So.
All right. Next, what we have is for the students to use in the prop box, are these a baby doll and some stuffed animals. And so what they're able to use with these is that they could use all of the items that we had in the prop box on these patients and pretend that they're the doctor, and that they can go ahead and diagnose what these patients have wrong with them.
So next we have a patient form for the patients to fill out. So it just has the name of patient. Please circle what parts of the body you feel pain. So they can circle their wrist, their ankle, their head, shoulders, whatever. And then on a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain? And then they can rate their pain. And then when did the pain begin? They have to answer. Please circle yes or no. Do you have a fever? Do you have trouble breathing? Do you have a headache? Do you have a rash? Do you feel dizzy? If so, when? And then are you on any medications? If so, what kind? And just for the patient to fill out.
Next is what we have the doctor, what the doctor will be using, as in the child. And so it has the name of the patient, the height, and so on. And so they actually fill this out to see what exactly is wrong with the patient.
And with our last with our last one, it's the doctor's orders. So after the doctor, which is the student who's testing the patients, they can write a prescription and write the follow-up appointment with the doctor's signature and then take it to the pharmacy. So yeah, so that'll conclude today's dramatic play prop box.